this is me again, MamaG, and for today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you this deep plunge bra. So deep plunge bra is for frontless tops or body or anything that showing your in front. So this one is from Misseskisses. So if you don't know Misseskisses, this one is the only frontless, backless, and strapless. So if you are a mom and you breastfeed a child or children's, we have the same problem. So as you can see, guys, okay, but this one will help me to join it together, okay, and I'm gonna wear this one for a few seconds, guys, okay, and look, just count because I don't want to put here, I don't want to show it in here because TikTok will violate me and I don't want that. Okay, so just count a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 seconds it's already here. Okay, so you guys can see the difference between before and after. So as you can see, guys, my outfit become better. More gorgeous, so you cannot see anything. It's invisible bra ever, guys. So if you want to look like, if you want to be more gorgeous, you need this one, guys. And there is another plunge bra that you would like. For example, the shallow plunge bra for crop top, like just showing some cleavage, and the moderate plunge bra, which is more higher than this one because this one is really deep. Okay, so up to you guys. You can visit their official website, misseskisses.com, and you can use my code MamaG, so you will have 10% discount. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.